Antarctica's creatures, including the endangered pangolin, will become extinct. A new study says that if global warming continues at its current pace, more than half of Antarctica's native species will be extinct by the end of this century. A study published in General PLOS found that if the world does not control the pollution emitted by fossil fuels, the native plant and animal species of Antarctica, including penguins, will likely disappear by the end of this century. The ice that ends up in Antarctica will endanger the emperor and Adele species of penguins that depend on the ice from April to December. The study made it clear that the ongoing efforts to protect the environment in Antarctica are not working on the rapidly changing continent. The researchers concluded that the application of a low-cost additive process can save up to 84% of biological filaments. Since Antarctica is not inhabited by a large number of people, the region has made no significant contribution to climate change. So the greatest threat to this continent is from outside this region. We need global efforts on climate change, along with efforts to protect the environment being made at the regional level, so that the living beings are given the best chance of survival in Dhaka.